Hey everybody, it's Victor over at Bourbonnais Motor Cars, Mercedes Benz at Bourbonnais. Making another video today of a full walk around requested by a customer. Just so everyone knows, we do these walk arounds for customers that are either out of state or that are at home and they really want to get a closer look at a vehicle that they're interested in. Now today's vehicle is going to be the 2019 S560 4MATIC. It's a certified pre-owned vehicle that we have at our location. Has about 33,000 miles on it. We're going to go over the exterior, the interior, some of the main features and packages on this car, and we're going to go over everything. That we can get a great idea of what you're getting into when you get into a Mercedes, especially an S-Class, the flagship model. So the thing that this one's going to have, it's the Magnetite black metallic paint. We have a black Napa leather interior that I'm sitting in right now. It's a little bit rainy in Chicago, in Bourbonnais, so kind of got to sit in the car today versus standing outside like we normally do. Now this one comes equipped with the premium package with surround view system, ventilated front seats. Some of the other things that come with that are going to be the Multicontour seats that are active with massage features. It also has the driver's assistance package. Now, I'm reading off of the form here to get all the list of features because they're so extensive. So we're looking at the driver's assistance package with active distance assist DISTRONIC for your adaptive cruise control and things like that. We have active lane changing assist, features that will allow you to put on your blinker, and then if the car senses that it's safe to move over, it'll actually change lanes for you. We're looking at the extended restart stop and goes, kind of help you with sitting at red lights, making the experience more comfortable. Route-based speed adaptation, so it uses something in the navigation to adapt your navigation and speed and cruise control and things like that. We're also looking at DISTRONIC Plus with steering assist, which it'll follow the car in front of you, not just speed. And that's limited to an extent. That's something we can go into detail in another video. We have speed limit assist, monitoring the local speed limits and kind of giving you an adjustment based on that, so you don't have to constantly monitor it either. Other things that we have wood steering wheel in this one, all season tires. Some of the other things, heads-up display, which is really, really cool. And then this one's going to actually have a CD drive in the glove box, which is kind of neat. Little features here and there that we'll go over during the video, whether it has heated seats and ventilated seats, and we'll go over all of that in the video. So we're going to take a look, and once again, if you need to get in contact with me, you can reach out to me here. I'll try and add links on the video for my Instagram and Facebook page. We try to make everything as easy as possible, whether you want to reach out for your phone number. Our phone number here at the store is going to be 815-933-2100. We're located at 515 William R. Latham Sr. Drive in Bourbonnais, Illinois, 60914. So here we go. We're going to take a look at the video. So here we have it, the 2019 S560 4MATIC. Now this model is a certified pre-owned vehicle located here on our lot. And like I said in the other intro video, that this was requested by a customer to do a full walk around of the video, something we normally do for our customers that are either out of state or they're just not able to make it into the store to get a first-hand view of the car. So what we're going to do is go around the video and look at the exterior of the car, the inside, kind of anything that I find that I personally would look at if I was shopping for a car. So you get that first-hand experience. So as we look around the outside of this car, this Magnetite black, it almost has a gray color to it. Very, very dark color. And as you can see, you have the front end light with the LED lights up front. We have that flagship grille on the S-Class, which you can't miss. Get a close-up of the headlights here so you can get an idea of those running lamps are amazing. Now this one comes with the 18-inch wheels. And we have full panoramic sunroof on the top. And then in terms of the walk-around video goes, I've walked around the entire vehicle. There aren't any scratches or dings or dents that I can see. I mean, it is a certified vehicle, so that's something we would have taken care of, especially on an S-Class. We want to make sure you have that premium experience with this vehicle. Come around the front one more time here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go through each door. So as we get into the passenger side of the car, again, I apologize, it's raining outside today, so we have like the beautiful inside as you open up the door. Now these vehicles come equipped with ambient lighting, so you'll see like blue light that's set throughout the car, which you can adjust. You can actually change that color to personalize the vehicle a little bit more than what you like. Now we're looking at the Burmester sound audio. Now your seat controls are on the door for ventilated, heated seats. And Burmester audio is a very high-end premium German speaker. They do a lot of in-home theater experiences as well as your car. Now we're looking at those Multicontour Napa leather seats. Beautiful interior in this car, along with that paired with that wood trim. If you get a great look at that here. As we go through the inside of the car, you'll see it's that what you'd expect from a large flagship model in terms of what Mercedes Benz offers. We'll take a look at the back seat here. Kind of that same experience throughout. Now, one thing I really like about the back seats in the S-Class especially, obviously the leg room and the space. You have plenty of room if you want to relax. You get that same speaker experience where they have the speakers right in the door for you. Now these do have your sunshades in the windows as well as in the rear if you want that privacy. And then up top here, you have the panoramic roof. You'll have your sunroof in the back. It's half open right now as far as the sunshade goes. You have some mirrors. But plenty of room back here. Very comfortable space. And in terms of luggage, trunk space, things like that, you definitely have plenty of space back here in the trunk. You get definitely golf clubs, luggage, anything you need. Plenty of room back there. Now this model is equipped with 4MATIC all-wheel drive. You can see on the back here, there's sensors all around, as well as those cameras. So the surround view, which I'll show you in a minute when I get in the car, is the surround view is pretty amazing when it comes to navigating in a large car like this. So parking garages, city driving, that's where those things will come in handy. Get another look at the back seat on the other side here. Once again, very, very nice, very comfortable. And that ambient light actually flows through the entire car. And then of course where you're going to see the most, the driving side of things. So you'll notice right away a little bit more controls than on the other passengers. Definitely you want to have more controls up front. Control the seat. You can even control the passenger seat as well as in the rear seat for heated seats as well when you get in these vehicles. Give you a good look at the inside of the driver's seat here. And again, I didn't notice any wear, any heavy anything in this car. Is very well maintained and taken care of. And as you get in, you get that full S-Class Mercedes experience. And I'll give you a look at the panoramic sunroof. Runs from the front all the way to the back. Let's get in the car here. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see what your driver's view is going to look like as you sit in your car. Very nice all throughout. Now you have 2 large screens here. One for your driving instruments, which you can customize, and then obviously your controls on the right, whether it be navigation or your home settings. One really nice thing about these, you can control it from this control section here where you have a touchpad up top, which works like almost like a mouse and a keyboard type of feel if you're not familiar. And then you have the wheel control, which should be pretty familiar if you've had any experience with Mercedes. It's that traditional control to get to all those things. And you have some quick buttons all throughout. I mean, you have everything from your radio, home, car settings, the all important your seat settings and things like that for your massage, which I know I'd use absolutely every day going home. I'd use a massage chair going and coming to work. You have adjustable suspension to raise the car up a little bit. Parking assist if you want to do parallel parking or perpendicular parking, it'll do that for you. Some of the other things, dynamic select is where you're going to select your drive settings. So if you move that setting here, you'll see the whole dashboard actually changes to give you what you'd expect from your settings. Whether it be eco mode all the way up until sport mode, and you can even customize that with individual. Some of those really, really nice settings that you're going to get when it comes to an S-Class. You do have some space in here where cup holders, place to charge the key actually if you place it. And then even in the armrest here, you're going to have a induction for charging your phone. So if I were to lay my phone there, it'll actually charge it. A couple of USBs for CarPlay, Android Auto if you use those, where the whole right screen will actually change and take over and kind of look like your phone to make things a little bit easier to control. kind of get an overall look here of the front. So this is what you'd expect from the 2019 S560. So the controls here, you have small mouse pad controls. If you're not familiar, as you swipe left and right, you control your radio on the right side in settings, and as well as on the left side, you're going to control your main steering wheel. So if you swipe down, you swipe up, you'll get different options there. Same thing here. If you swipe down, you can even have, which I really like when you have your navigation on the right side, because I'm not too concerned about the RPMs. I enjoy seeing them, but to have my navigation right up front where I need it would be great. And if you can see it, you have the heads-up display right up front right there, where it'll show your miles per hour, direction, things like that. As we go through, some things I want to show you. Obviously, you have a large screen for your navigation, so you'll have plenty of space for the map going across the entire screen here. If you don't have it up on the other side, some of the other things, obviously radio is going to be something people use pretty often here if you don't use your phone. And then the all-important car settings, where you have plenty of customization. Everything from all of your assistance settings that we talked about at the beginning of the video, from cameras to parking to brake assists. And you can actually customize that in terms of how you want that to control. And like I said, the ambient lighting, something that it's probably one of my favorite things about Mercedes, is just more customization. So right now it's set to what's called purple sky. I mean, you can even go down to, if your favorite color is red, you'll change the whole interior into a really, really cool red ambient throughout the car. And that runs all the way through the back, in the center console, down in the footwells and everything. I'm a big fan of blue, so it goes really well with this really cool dark interior, but there's even multicolor options for that as well that you can play with. Something just really, really cool. And as I said, 33,000 miles on this one, certified pre-owned 2019, and we have it listed on our website right now. So if you want to go to the website, it's www.gombob.com. It's listed right on the website. Now this video's in particular is for a customer. Chris, I hope you kind of get through the whole video to get a really good understanding of the car, and I'll do my best to take care of everything going forward. We do these a lot, so if you are interested in a vehicle, whether it be used, certified, or brand new, I'm always willing to provide these videos. Gives people a really close-up look on what you see as you're driving every day. Everything from the steering wheel to your beautiful Mercedes logo that's on the hood here in this vehicle. So once again, if you guys need anything at all, I'm Victor for Mercedes Benz, and you can locate me whether it be in social media, facebook.com. You can search BMC Victor, that's Bourbonnais Motor Cars, Victor. And same thing with Instagram, BMC Victor, which I try to post as many pictures and videos. I'm newer to the company here, so I'm spending a lot of time trying to build more of a social platform for what I do for a living. I want to do a lot more in terms of tutorial videos, cool features, especially in this case, if you buy a vehicle, and let's say if you have a random question like, Victor, how do I, what if I want one color? And I can make a video and say, hey, you can go to your ambient lights, you can go to your multicolor and turn that off. And then you can select a specific color throughout your car, whether it be blue all the way to red and yellow and everything. And that's something that I'm here for, the product specialist for you. And that doesn't matter the brand or the car, I'll learn everything and take care of you. So once again, thanks for watching the video. If you get all the way through it, I really appreciate it. Comment below what you think, or if you have any questions about Mercedes in general, or just cars in general. I'm a huge car person, and I just love it's fun to me. This is a really, really cool experience. So from Victor here, have a great day, and keep an eye out for more videos. Thanks.